Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by gathering credentials and protocol details because Gmail needs them to connect securely. Once ready, open Gmail settings and navigate to Accounts and Import, then choose Add another email address. Make sure to pick the correct option. Import mail only if you only want messages, or enable Send As if you need to send from that address. You do this now to avoid interruptions, having server names, ports, and whether to use SSL speeds the setup and prevents repeated attempts. Next, you enter the technical settings that determine how Gmail syncs your mail. Choose a map for two-way sync so changes reflect on all devices, versus POP which downloads only. Then input the incoming server address, select the correct port like 993 for a map with SSL, and provide your username. For outgoing mail, add the SMTP host, port, and enable secure connection. Gmail will send a verification code to that account. Once done, retrieve and enter the code so Gmail can send and receive properly. Finally, you confirm folder and label mapping so messages appear where you expect, and set the sync frequency or map folder subscriptions. Test by sending and receiving a few messages, and then review filters or forwarding rules that might reroute mail. If something fails, first verify the server ports and SSL settings, then re-enter the password and check whether two-step authentication requires an app password. If you still can't connect, temporarily disable firewall or security apps and retry to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.